Hi, welcome to session on why women should choose platform engineering. I'm Swarna Mani, Director of Platform Engineering at Rhythm. Rhythm is world's leading e-commerce platform, bringing together brands, suppliers, and retailers every day. If you want to know more about Rhythm, visit us at rhythm.com. Before we go into why aspect, I want to talk about platform engineering. Encourage the people out there who are hearing it, are thinking about platform engineering. I want to talk about platform engineering a bit and then dwell into the aspects of why women should go into platform engineering. The current state of platform engineering is such that it's been here for a while and looks like it is here to stay, because we are seeing increased adoption of platform engineering across various companies. About 51% of the organization have already established platform engineering teams, or they are restructuring their teams to be platform engineering team. Platform engineering creates self-service infrastructure and automations to streamline software delivery and reliability. So it is something which is being looked forward to many organizations. A recent survey by DevOps.com showed that 70% of the participants feel that this is the right time to adopt platform engineering. So, yeah, platform engineering looks like it's going to stay. So now we need to see how we can make more women get into platform engineering. Before that, I want to take a minute to talk about platform engineering. Platform engineering is all about optimizing software by creating automations and integrating various pieces so that they come together fluidly. It is a growing field, as I just said. It's dynamic, it's impactful, and whether you are coming from development skill or operational skill, you can jump into platform engineering and thrive in platform engineering. I think I heard platform engineering for the first time about like 7 years back, and it has not slowed down. In fact, the momentum has increased, and platform.com is the best example to show that how good it's going forward. So it's a fantastic field. With that, let's go to the next slide. There are like few barriers that women face, which I think may be contributing less women in platform engineering. It is cultural stereotypes, not having like lack of visible role models, and some misconceptions. I want to take a minute to talk about that, because contrary to what people say, um, women can thrive in platform engineering. It is very much like other software engineering field. So even if you don't have lack of visible role models, which I think very soon there will be more, give it a try. If you are a software developer, or if you have been in operations for a while and you have been looking into platform engineering, th- these are barriers which are mainly in the mind and it can be overcome. So I want to encourage every woman out there to break these barriers and think about their next step if they have been looking at platform engineering or exploring platform engineering. The diverse teams are going to be very, 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 very impactful for any technological field, because with diversity comes like wonderful collaboration. An engineer gives a solution based on their thought process, their upbringing. So many of who they are defines the kind of outcome they bring to the table. So diversity of any kind enriches the team, and diversity where you can have like men and women working together is even more special, because by nature, women think a little bit differently than men. So having men and women collaborating together to create a solution and bringing that solution to a release point is going to be more powerful. So I really, really encourage everyone from various fields, various diversity, to think about platform engineering. It is a wonderful field, and it can be more enriched by having diversity, and it can be more effective and innovative as well. Few strategies that we can all take a bit to empower women in platform engineering is hiring practices. I think this is kind of like baked in most of the companies. So now I'm encouraging women applicants to apply more. We will pick it up, we will talk to you. And there are a lot of women who have done a lateral move, into platform engineering, I really request all those leaders to come and share your experience to encourage more women or those engineers to share your experience so that more women can come into this field. We are already seeing events like Platform Con, B24, and other things that are happening that inspire and connect women. We are going in the right direction. I just want us to add a little bit more touch. And there was a time like where we were encouraging women to take up STEM. It is now time to encourage women to take up platform engineering. If you're interested to know more about platform engineering or interested to get into platform engineering, I would really recommend the platform engineering Slack, which is behind this platform con, making it happen. Join the Slack, it's free. It's a wonderful place to talk to like minds, platform engineering aficionados, platform engineering leaders. It's a fantastic collaboration platform. Join that, see for yourself. If you want to get in touch with me to know my experience, you can reach me through my LinkedIn. So give platform engineering a chance. It is a fantastic, fulfilling career option. Maybe I should have started the slide with this, but I'm concluding the slide with this. I was personally a developer for 17 plus years who have done various development testing operations thing and stumbled into DevOps and then moved into DevSecOps and various other areas and now into platform engineering. I can say that my career has been very fulfilling ever since I moved into platform engineering. It is a fantastic place where we are solving everyday problems. And I'm glad that I made this lateral move. So I really encourage other women to do that as well. Um, and as I said, anyone, whether it's men or women who are there, please encourage your friends, your acquaintances who are thinking about platform engineering and help them overcome the barriers that we discussed so we can have diversity and fulfilling platform engineering teams across the globe. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I'm Swarna Mani. Talk to you soon. Bye.